Ido, can you tell us who you are?
Yeah, my name is Ido Bakker. I'm originally from Holland and I live in France since 2016.
So, can you tell us a bit where we are today and what is the place we will visit?
We are in Bourgogne-Franche-Comté, in the region, the Haute-Marne, bordering the Haute-Saône. And we are in the village of Melay, to be exact, at Château Melay. It's a very nice investment property. It has a huge history. It's built in 1644 on the old ruins of the wall which protected the French from the Germans back in 1322. The chateau has been rebuilt and re-renovated several times, but the last renovation was some 10 years ago to make it a decent B&B. There are 12 rooms. Each floor has 250 square meters, so on 3 floors you have 750 square meters of B&B space.
So that's a real bargain, we can say that.
I would say so, yeah. Certainly if you look at the potential, it's a very, very good investment opportunity.
And it's already a successful B&B, I think.
Yeah, the present owners, they run it at a very easy pace because that's why they came to France, not to work too hard, but to live properly. And yeah, anyone who wants to work a little bit harder, in my opinion, you can easily double the potential of the place.
So in terms of return on investment, that would be really excellent.
Excellent.
What the business is composed of at the moment and what could be done to develop it?
At present, the present owners, they choose for a very relaxed lifestyle. So they run the B&B at a maximum of 5 rooms, because if you go over 5 rooms, you are classified as a hotel. The place has 12 rooms, so you can easily run here a venue for big parties, for weddings, for
weddings, yes.
For weddings or for company outings or something like that. That is allowed, not under the B&B rules, but there are several rules for it, or separate rules for that. It's 3,000 meters of land, with most part in the back garden, which is easy maintenance, but plenty of space for sunbathing, for making extra terraces. Also on the front side there is a possibility to install an extra terraces next to the bar, because there's a huge vaulted cellar, which actually is originally a bar. The potential for this place is enormous.
Can you tell me a bit more about the area?
Yeah, we are here in Bourgogne-Franche-Comté, in the Haute-Marne, close to the Haute-Saône, and we are here in the village of Melay. The area we are around here is rural. We are very close to Luxembourg, we are very close to Germany, we are very close to Switzerland. We are 1 hour, 50 minutes away from Basel Airport. Many flights to London, many flights to Frankfurt, many flights to the Scandi countries, easy access.
What sort of touristic activities do you have around? I've seen the boats near where you live.
Yeah, we are close to the River Saône. There's a lot of yacht boating, pleasure boating. Yeah, and in the summer it's a lot of tourists who come there and who like to do that. We are very close to Dijon, the gastronomical capital from France. It's a student city, there are a lot of universities, so it's very lively. So is Besançon, we are also very close, also a student city, very lively. A lot of terraces, eateries, very cozy.
Thank you, Ido, for all this useful information about that place.
You're welcome.
And if you want to know more about that place, all the links are below the video in the description, more pictures, a virtual tour. You can leave your comments so Ido can answer them. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Bye bye.